All right, let's get started. Thanks everyone for joining me today on this webinar. We're going to be talking about IDX Broker exclusive developer partners. It's going to be pretty high level. I'm just going to showcase some of the things that have been really outstanding from a couple of our developer partners. Unfortunately, I can't go through all of them in this webinar, but that's definitely something I'm going to look forward to doing in future webinars, highlighting other exclusive IDX Broker developers. So with that being said, let's get started. Of course, this will be recorded on YouTube if you want to reference this later. And Emily is helping me out today answering questions. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post them. She'll be there to answer you. All right, so let's go to the next slide. So what does IDX exclusive mean? It means these IDX Broker Developer Partners, they're already experts in real estate websites and CRMs and development and everything, all the cool things they do. As such, they've recognized the value of IDX Broker and have fully committed to the IDX Broker system. So if you're signing up with one of these exclusive developer partners, you're going to get an IDX Broker integration into your website. Not all of our partners are IDX Broker exclusive. Some of them offer other solutions, and that's okay too. Today's webinar, however, we're going to be focusing on just a couple of the exclusive ones that just do our IDX platform. So if you're looking for a developer partner in general, you'll be able to find them at our search page. If you go to idxbroker.com, you can find it under idxbroker.com developers/search. There are filters on the side, as you can see in this slide here. The logos for each developer partner are on this page. Kind of what they specialize in, or some of the things they offer, are listed in the filters on the side. This is by no means comprehensive. As things change, people acquire new skills, or they move away from a particular skill set or product. So this is changing as we get updated from our developer partners. We have quite a few, so keeping all this up to date is quite the task. But I encourage everybody who's looking for a developer partner to start here. On the filters on the side, you can look for whatever you need, whether it's a platform like WordPress or Joomla, whether you're looking for social media, whether you're looking for a real just education or customizations. You can also find the list of IDX Broker exclusive developer partners in the filter on the left of this page. So I encourage everybody to go check that out if you're looking for a dev to help take your website to where it needs to be. Like I was saying, these filters on the side show a lot of the skill sets that these guys have, and they make really cool stuff and do some really great things for your website, for your brand, education, all sorts of stuff. It goes beyond integration. All the developer partners do integration. If they're a developer partner, they will integrate IDX Broker with your website. They all do custom CSS. They all know HTML. So those things are pretty standard across all the developer partners, but not all of them offer the same extra features. Custom forms, custom scripting, SEO content, even integration to other systems, like taking the lead data and pushing it to like a CRM or anything like that. Some developer partners do this, some do, some don't. I encourage everyone to just kind of explore this community that we have of developer partners to see which ones can offer you what you need. Odds are we have the developer partner for you for what you need, and a lot of times they even collaborate to get the customer exactly what they need. So all of these dev partners, like I said, do the integration, but the next couple ones the ones I'm gonna highlight today, they do some services that extend the IDX Broker platform. Some of them make plugins, some of them give you resources to better analyze your site and how it's doing, those kind of things, CRMs. So that's what what I'm highlighting today. It's going to be something that I think a lot of other developer partners are going to do, offering extra services to extend the platform to really give an entire package of what you need to be out there on the web today. Websites are definitely the beginning, but there's so much that can be done. So the first one I want to talk about today is Realty Candy. Realty Candy is a longtime developer partner of ours. They make WordPress themes. These are up-to-date, really modern themes built, many of them built on the equity framework from Agent Evolution. So they're tailor-made to work with IDX Broker across all your devices. Mobile responsive is built in is from the onset of these things. Realty Candy also serves them from WP Hosting, so it's optimized for WordPress, that hosting environment is. Like I said, a lot of other developer partners also offer WordPress. We're just highlighting Realty Candy today because I really like what they've done with their customizations. They offer a variety of plugins that have been built to extend functionality to WordPress and IDX Broker. Very cool stuff. They're always developing new things. All of our developers are, but I actually had a chance to meet with Realty Candy. They came up here. We talked about some development, some of the things they're looking for in the future, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what they release here coming up at the end of this year and the beginning of next year. It's pretty exciting. So if you get a chance to check them out, if you're looking for a WordPress site, again, go to the dev search page and check them and all the other WordPress developers out there. Check them out on the page. The next developer I want to talk about is Inforza. I know they're watching, so I'm glad they're here. One of the things I've also had a chance to meet these guys, and also really exciting development coming out of them, for them. One of the things I really like about them, though, is they offer these checks for your website. The mobile check, the local search check, the Google Analytics. You know, they do integrations, of course, like everybody does. But I really like that they're offering these tools and reminding people that it's more than just websites out there. Websites are on phones and everything, so let's be sure we're ready for mobile devices. Let's check the SEO locally, because search results aren't the same from one town to the next. Google knows where you are. And then finally, let's analyze. Let's see what's going on here in our analytics. You know, it's not really a set it and forget it kind of world anymore. And Inforza understands that and keeps up on all the new trends. You can see even there here in the slide, their Twitter feed tweets are now part of Google search results. They're always looking for the newest technology and trying to make the best of it and take advantage of it and leverage it as best they can for every website that they do. These guys have always really impressed me. I can't recommend them enough. So check them out if you're looking for a website, if you're looking for some advice even, or some resources. So the next dev partner I kind of want to highlight here is RealPro Systems. These guys are also a very, very long time dev partner of ours. These guys have a whole platform that's built on IDX Broker. They consume data from our API that goes into their CRM. So they make the websites, they offer a CRM, they offer, squeeze pages, they offer all sorts of tools and stuff, all under one under one roof. So you can go to them and pretty much just one-stop shop, get a single thing you're going to need to be online. All these technologies are built to work with IDX Broker, so everything's pretty seamless here. It's pretty much just visit them and you get rolling with your website, your CRM, and everything. These guys are great. I've had a chance to meet with them and talk with them about new development that they're doing. I'm really excited to see their next generation of their platform and where it's going. It's been a long time with IDX Broker, integrated with IDX Broker very deeply, and they're looking to do even more. So these guys are great to check out too. Like I said, a lot of the other dev partners also offer websites and CRMs, so check them out too. I'm just highlighting some of the ones I've got to meet and work with recently this year. Oops, wrong way. So we have other dev partners that aren't kind of traditional. Most of our dev partners make websites and CRMs and all sorts of tools to extend the IDX Broker platform. I kind of wanted to mention this one. This one's a little bit different, IDX Forge. They're more of a consultant. Sometimes you just need a single task done, a single thing built, not really a whole website or not really all the maintenance. Often it's just I want a particular piece of scripting here or there. This is kind of where IDX Forge comes in to fill kind of those gaps where, your dev partner that you currently have, maybe they don't know, they're not able to provide the scripting at the time due to constraints on their time. They're building websites and stuff. So IDX Forge kind of bridges that gap whenever needed. Small CSS things here or there. They'll even work with your current developer partner, so you don't have to change developer partners to utilize this. And this is kind of a new thing for our community. Traditionally, we have people who make websites and other people who make websites, and not someone who just comes into filling gaps there. So that's this one. That's this dev partner here, and I've met this dev partner as well, and she's been great. She's been filling in and working and with other dev partners, really building that community of cooperation between dev partners to get a lot more delivered to the clients. So very cool. Check her out. If any dev partners need anything, check her out too. She's very flexible and willing to work with everybody. So I know this was really quick. I really didn't have time to verify and everything with all the dev partners that I wanted to get to. So I'm hoping to do more of these webinars and kind of highlight some of the high-level things that our developer partners create. This webinar, of course, will be online on YouTube. If you have any more questions, feel free to toss them in here right now, or email info@idxbroker.com. And be sure to look for our upcoming webinars. I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping to do more of these and highlight our IDX Broker developer partners that are exclusive. Also, don't forget to get with us on social media. We can reach out or get back to you on any of your questions. There's lots of resources on our YouTube channel, lots of tips coming out of our Twitter feed. So again, thanks for joining us, and hope to see you next time when I do another one of these IDX Broker exclusive highlights webinars. Thanks.